Ekiganiro eki kihagiirwe aba International Law Development Organization kandi Lady Justice Abodo ashabira abatuura okukwatanisa bakahayo ab'isherukare abarikubatirira obugabe bw'abantu kurabira omu kurya ebituga.
I think their main complaint was on police bond, that they're being made to pay for police bond, and also that the people are overstaying in police cells, and also that actually police ask for money to do investigations. They ask for money to do arrests.
From here to there, 1 kilometer, they ask 100,000, 200,000. They don't give us receipts.
So that's why I encourage them that such cases, because not all police actually ask for money to release someone on police bond. So when they do, you report so that we get out those elements.
Ubwo yonjire yayanjura entebekanisa zo kwongera abahoreereza ba gavumenti omu makooti.
That is why I have been asking that I need more prosecutors, because to have prosecutors, one prosecutor serving 4 judicial officers, that's what happens, because they don't have time to read. Then you have prosecutors coming over the weekend to read files. By the time Monday comes, they're already stressed.
Open days or barazas like these provide opportunities for the public to know the work of the DPP, but also to interact with the staff, as well as serve as an accountability platform that promotes transparency, which is critical in the provision of justice services.
Orkwebembera polisi omu Kigezi Saiga Ibrahim ashoborire bimwe aha birikubateganisa okusya obuheereza aha bantu omu kyanga kya Kigezi.
Some districts within the region lack the office of DPP, and especially Ruchiga and Rubanda. These districts have for so long increased the workload at Kabale here. My lord, I know you are aware that your staff in Kabale are a bit thin. They are understaffed. So the workload that comes from Rubanda and Ruchiga is also piled here.
Baraza egi etamburira aha muteguro kugira ngu justice for all, bringing prosecution services closer to the people. Gasha kwa Job Namanya omu Kabale.